What's going on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video today. My name is Christopher Lau, also known as C Lau Travel, and welcome to my channel if you guys are brand new. We just ended an incredible 10-day trip all around the southern part of Thailand. It was an amazing trip. There was absolutely no tourists around pretty much. So welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos in the last 10 days from this journey. And 2 days ago, we left Sala, Phuket on the Kamala Beach area, and we made it to the Intercontinental Phuket Resort right on Kamala Beach. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I love the Intercontinental brand, and this resort specifically does not let you down. The food out here is absolutely delicious. Rachel thinks this is the best food at all the Intercontinentals, specifically this trip. This is the best food this entire trip that we've had, honestly, at this resort. This resort is super, super beautiful, so it's right on Kamala Beach. This is also another beach in another area that I've not stayed at in Phuket specifically. The area I feel like specifically is very family oriented, so it's kind of like a Patong beach area, it looks like, but it's not at all at the same time. So it's a lot cleaner, it's a lot more family oriented, and it's super beautiful. So I recommend this area if you guys have a family, especially with a baby, and I recommend the Intercontinental brand. This is right again on the beach, right behind me. The pool out here is beautiful. The restaurants, there's 2 restaurants pretty much right on the beach. The vibes out here, everything's incredible. So we're staying in their 1-bedroom ocean view suite. I love this room. We have a giant king-size bed. We have a beautiful bathroom, a beautiful tub setup that Ali's been taking baths in. He loves it. He's asleep. But the whole room is beautiful. We have a giant balcony right out here. I love the balcony because right behind me, the sun sets, and we've caught some incredible sunsets from our balcony, from the beach. The whole resort is incredible, and they've also adapted to the new norm, so there's hand sanitizers everywhere. People are wearing masks. Everything is safe, and this was the perfect way to end our 10-day journey in the southern part of Thailand. So tonight, we're jumping on a 10 p.m. flight, and today we're gonna be showing you, supposedly Kamala Beach is one of the best beaches, if not the best beach to learn surfing in all of Phuket. So Meaty's never surfed. I've surfed before, but I'm not that great. So we're gonna march right onto the beach just shortly, and we're gonna be showing you our Thailand experience surfing on Kamala Beach. The beach specifically is super beautiful. I shot the drone shot up multiple times. It's a white sand beach that just shoots straight down. There's waves depending on the time of the day, but it's a beautiful beach, and I love the location of Intercontinental. Right across the street from us is another part of Intercontinental. They have this beautiful temple-esque type building. They also have a couple other pools, but luckily for us, we have club benefits. We're right on the beach, which I totally recommend. If you guys have the chance to come out here, upgrade to the club benefits, get the beach side. This part is incredible. Ali's totally asleep right now. But right now, Rachel's actually getting a massage. She should be back any second now. The massages here are amazing. I actually got a massage yesterday night. I got like a sunburn massage. I was like literally sunburned, and it's one of the best ways to end this trip. So right now, Rachel should be back. I'm actually gonna trade Ali with Rachel. That's typically what we've been doing. I've been island hopping some of the most incredible places with Meaty. All the places are empty, and Rachel has been watching Ali, but now I'm gonna trade off Ali whenever Rachel gets back. We're gonna be showing you our experience on Kamala Beach, arguably the best surf spot to learn in Phuket. So we're about to go surfing. Abrupt news. I just crashed Silver Surfer. This is the remaining hours in Phuket. Oh my god, it is trapped in a tree right now just over the surf, and I don't know if I'm gonna get it. This is really sad. It's directly over the surf. You can see where we're at in the red dot, and he is stuck in the tree 88 meters. I didn't expect this. I was trying to get the last drone shot of the trip, and the drone is stuck in the tree. Can't even move it. The gimbal, the drone won't start because it's like sideways, so the motor won't start, and it's literally stuck in the tree just dangling. All right guys, I spotted the drone. So it's trapped right, but there it is. You can see the drone. It's stuck in that branch. You can see like it blinking. Oh my gosh. The tree is so big. Can we throw a surfboard at it? Oh, it's really high. Yeah, the drone's like right up there. So we found the drone, but it's really high. I see like the little lights blinking. I don't think we're gonna get it unless it falls off the branch. We gotta throw something 88 meters up. I don't think that's possible. We gotta shake it or something. Yep. There's the drone. This is so sad. It's supposed to be a cat stuck in a tree. It's a drone stuck in a tree. Ah. No.
No. I feel so sad for you. Thanks. Now you cannot really fly the drone. Now you're gonna get less views. People like drone shots.
Comment down below if you guys are gonna be less views if I don't put as many drone shots. Oh, I hate saying this, but luckily this is like the last moments of this trip, so I got all the drone shots from this trip. But I had to crash it. No.
A few moments later.
Starting to move.
Yeah, it's starting to move. He's saying it gets windy around now, so we're hoping that the wind can pick up and push it. Yeah, the drone is definitely moving up there. This is typically the best time to go surfing, they're saying. Like when the wind picks up, the wave gets a little bigger. And yeah, it's moving a lot. It's at 8% though. It's at a strong 8%. We can see it, it's directly above our head pretty much. Cross your fingers that the wind really picks up in the next couple hours. I think we're gonna be sitting here for a while. It could be any second now, it's moving a lot. Push, blow it up, Meaty, blow up, blow up.
Like that?
Yeah, yeah, do faster. Do faster. Do faster. Yep, do faster. Yep, do faster. Any moment now, hopefully it just falls before.
6.5 hours later.
It's at a strong 3% right now. This is so sad. It keeps like tilting, but it's not, it hasn't fallen yet. Oh, we need a giant gust of wind. Oh, man. All right, guys, so RIP, it's at 0%. I have never let the battery get to 0% till now. It hasn't fallen. Rest in peace. This is the funeral for it. Say goodbye, Silver Surfer.
Goodbye, Silver Surfer.
Goodbye, buddy. This could fall anytime. We're leaving tonight, our flight. We still got a few hours, so I'll check back with these dudes. Hopefully it falls. You okay? Surprisingly lasting longer than I expected. So if you guys are still watching this video, at 0%, you guys still have flight time. It's been like 40 seconds at 0%, almost a minute actually. 7 minutes at 0%. This is insane. And it's still going. Oh, it's moving. This is such a tease. It's moving a lot. It looks like it's on the edge. All right, final push. Come on. I just want to press every button, hoping that it decides to move. Please work. And it just went off. Battery went off. So lasted at 0% for about 11 minutes. It wasn't flying though, so still. Rest in peace, Silver Surfer. Alright guys, so fast forward a few weeks. I'm currently back at home finishing up this vlog right now in the studio, and Silver Surfer is currently in front of me. So 1 week later, after our trip in Kamala, I actually had a project out in Krabi with the Tourism Authority of Thailand, and the drone was in the tree the entire 8-9 days that I was back out in Bangkok. Unfortunately, the night before I got the drone back down, it rained really heavily. Luckily, it was just rainwater, it wasn't salt water, which is basically a camera's worst enemy. And I ended up finding a guy from the surf shop just below the tree, paid him 3,000 Thai baht. I tried to negotiate it to 2,000 Thai baht, but apparently he said he would climb 88 meters roughly, I think that's what it was, for 100 American dollars. I think that's what 3,000 Thai baht is around. And 88 meters is like 250 feet. So I told some of my friends how high it was, and they were like, what is wrong with the guy? And he ended up getting the drone back. So he literally free climbed the tree like this. He sent up some pictures, we did a little video chat, got the drone back before I was going back down south. Ended up going back to Krabi, I got the drone delivered to me. The drone works completely fine. The memory card, I got all the footage of the crash from what you saw. And it's funny, the day I got back from Bangkok after I crashed, I bought a brand new drone. So currently I have 2 DJI Mavic Pro zooms, and it was such a hectic day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to go surfing on Kamala Beach, but I'm hoping I get to do that in my next visit out in Kamala Beach in Phuket. But overall, the 10-day journey out in the south of Thailand was an epic adventure, and welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed my last few vlogs showing you guys our 10-day trip down south. But overall, our epic journey down south came to an end. It was an incredible one, starting in Krabi, ending in Phuket, visiting some of Thailand's best and most beautiful spots in the south, and they were all pretty much empty. There was no tourists around. Again, Thailand has really kept COVID-19, let's say, at bay, so there aren't many cases or any cases at all, and they've been doing such a good job that international travel will be starting, I think, next week, starting in October. So Thailand's been safe to travel. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog series down south. Again, I have over 60 Thailand travel videos on my YouTube channel, so Thailand is a safer country to travel to. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and end up watching as many videos as you can in Thailand if you guys plan on coming out here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Unfortunately, things don't always go as planned, but I ended up getting the drone back, so at the end of the day, it was a good one. So welcome to my channel. If you guys are brand new, I have a few more island hopping vlogs coming out, and then I'm gonna be exploring more of Thailand with my family, more domestic, not islandy type travel. We're gonna be heading north, heading to Chiang Mai, heading to Loy, I think that's how you say it, with the tourism authority in about a week and a half. So I'm really excited for more videos to come, a couple more island hopping series, and then some in the north. So welcome to my channel. Again, if you guys are brand new, make sure you guys hit the like button, comment down below on some places that you guys want me to check out in Thailand, and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified for my next videos. Overall, thank you guys so much for watching. Be ready for a couple more island videos, and then I'll take you guys hopefully to the north. Thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers.